In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Prism launcher for Minecraft. If you do find this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Now, obviously, you do need to own Minecraft in order to do this. Specifically, you'll need a paid account. If you do own Minecraft, which I'm sure if you're watching this video, you probably do, go ahead and just back out of Minecraft if you do currently have it opened. And what you're going to want to do here is actually open up a browser of your choice. In this case, I'm going to use Google Chrome, but you could use whatever you'd like. And just search up Prism Launcher and then hit enter and go to this first page up at the top. From here, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is hit this download option and it's going to pull up this page. Go ahead and select the installer.exe for whatever version you're on. If you do have a 64-bit Windows computer, go ahead and do that. Or if you do have an ARM64, go ahead and do this one here. I'm going with most of you guys probably have this first one though, so select that. It's going to download the launcher for you. Now you just simply have to click on that launcher and it's going to automatically open up a page that looks like this. Hit next a few times and then hit install and it's going to begin installing. Once it does finish, go ahead and click on this finish option and it should automatically open up. And if it's your first time opening this up, you're going to want to go ahead and navigate to the top right and click on your profile here and sign in with your Microsoft account. Now don't worry, Prism is safe, so you are able to link this. If you don't, this is not going to work, so keep that in mind. Now to actually start playing though, you're going to want to click on the add instance section up in this top left, and from here you could choose something like a vanilla version like 1.21.6. You can choose to install a mod loader like Forge, Fabric, Quilt, or other mod loaders, or you can even import mod packs just like so. After selecting the version or mod pack that you want to go ahead and load into, simply hit OK, and it's going to pop up in your tab right here. Now you can just click on it just like so, and it's going to begin loading you into Minecraft through the Prism launcher. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. You now have Prism launcher installed and running, and now you can play Minecraft through Prism. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.